Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily create a logo for business in Canva for free. So let's start. First, you will have a link in the description how you can create it, and then we will click here on the create design and write here logo. And now what I'm going to do, I will just write here search template. I will write here business, and you are going to have like plenty of templates to use from that you can use for your business. What I always recommend is, okay, what kind of logos your competitors are using? Don't copy them, just inspire. Are they successful? What kind of logos they are using? You can be completely different if you want. But I always recommend, like, going with animals is kind of cool if you want to. It's really up to you. But if you're energy group, you can use something like this. If you are analytical finance, you can go with like a graph or something. So let's say that I'm going to like right here Marcus solutions. Since will be nothing. And now I will go to elements and I will write here statistics. And you see it here, some of them are paid, some of them are not. So this is really important. And let's change the color to this one. And as you can see, like, okay, I got myself a logo. And you can many of them that you can use here. You can go like try Canva Pro for 30 days, and then it's like even more fine. Like for example, this one is paid, and I would just change the color to here. Or even this one here is paid, but you could use this one too if you would like. So yeah, that's kind of it. And this is how you can create a business logo. Then what you want to do is, let's say that I'm going to use some kind of free one. Give me a second. Here, this one here, and I'm going to change the color here. And then what I'm going to do, I will click download, PNG, download, and it's downloading right now. And voila, when I'm going to open it, I have my own sale logo. So this is how we can create a logo for business. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya.